Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the Gemini S24 Ultra for setup. Power it on and sign into your Google account so services sync. Once done, enable Wi-Fi or 5G and confirm battery is at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Make sure your SIM or eSIM is installed and cellular settings are correct. This matters for activation and app downloads. You should enable device protection and a secure unlock method now, because it prevents setup delays and keeps your data safe as you continue. Now you'll configure the S24 Ultra's core features. Check for system and app updates and restart if required, since updates fix bugs and improve performance. Next, tailor display settings, refresh rate, color profile, and enable gesture navigation for faster one-hand use. Dive into camera options, RAW capture, stabilization, and pro controls so shots match your intent. Finally, set up biometric unlocks and review app permissions. That reduces background battery use and keeps sensitive data private as you move. Finish by optimizing everyday use. Enable adaptive battery and restrict unnecessary background activity, then calibrate charging habits to extend battery lifespan. Set automatic backups and cloud sync so photos and settings restore if you switch devices. Add emergency info and fast access features for safety. If something goes wrong, try a restart first. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode to isolate apps, and only use factory reset as a last resort. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most persistent software problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.